Yes, today I'm going to show you how to get toggle sprint, direction HUD and all that. First, you can type in LabyMod. I'm going to click on the first one. There. I think it'll take you to here. So you can click download or download, click any one. And then, so once this loads, you go to the most recent first one, LabyMod. Version 2.7.6 installer, Minecraft 1.8.8 first installer. Click it. Sorry, look at it. Then it should start downloading. Wait for that. I'm gonna keep, and then you're gonna click it to open it, and then it should come up. If it doesn't, leave in comments if this doesn't pop up right here, and I'll help you with that. Click on next, and then click on any one of these. You can do all of these, but I'm gonna do Optifine, Toggle Sneak, Slash Sprint, and Direction HUD, because lots of servers do not allow minimap or damage indicator, but I don't need that anyways. Click next, and then before you do this, Minecraft needs to be closed. So you're gonna install LabyMod, and then just wait for this to install. So it'll say something like LabyMod is successfully installed. So, and then wait for it, and then it should say, it should pop up, LabyMod is successfully installed. I know I spelled it wrong when I looked it up, but it doesn't matter. So you're going to Minecraft. Wait for Minecraft to load too, and then you should get into your profile, but just go to edit profile, and there should be something called release LabyMod. Click on that, then save profile, press play, and then once that loads up, it should look kind of weird. Minecraft, gets to the interface, but that's, yeah. So I can't go full screen, but yeah. Should then it should look like something like this, like these. Can't go full screen. And then options should be like this. So toggle snake, choo, pick all these. Done. Put it where you want. So, but yeah. And then done. And there you go. So, test it out. Yeah, let me show you the settings. You can play with these. All these. And then done. Then you could on a battle line to test this. And for Tiger, to actually enable toggle sprint if you're having trouble with it. I suggest using controls and making your sprint key R, because all control might not work. So like all the defaults of control, but I recommend using R, because you click R, it become enabled, as you can see right there. But yeah, but you know, just play around with this. So right. Come on, top, middle left. There's crazy things, but yeah. Anyways, that's how I saw LabyMod. Like the video, comment, like, and subscribe for content. I'll see you guys later.